Gorgeous long lake views and glowing sunsets as you look southwest over the 12th green on the Fairways Golf Course at Lally Resort. The Preakness floor plan offers a very flexible design with 2 bedrooms with separate bathrooms, den dining room, grand living room, oversized lanai with summer kitchen, a 2-car garage, and a huge bonus room with another full bathroom. The bonus room can be used as a guest suite, mother-in-law suite, office, playroom, family room, etc. The gated Saratoga complex offers a clubhouse with a heated pool and spa and holds many planned get-together activities for the residents. Lally Resort and the Lally area offers 2 public golf courses, shopping, and many restaurants to enjoy. Membership to the Fantastic Players Club and Spa and the Private Classics Golf Country Club is available to Saratoga owners but is not mandatory. Come see what Lally Resort is all about and enjoy the Florida lifestyle.